of 8. Today we will learn multiplication table of 8. Diwali is approaching. Hence, everyone in Vandana's house is busy cleaning. Vandana's mother has taken out all the old newspapers to sell them to the scrap dealer, Ragman. Each bundle that Vandana's mother has tied has 1 month's newspaper. Vandana's attention is repeatedly going towards the bundles of newspaper lying on the floor because whenever the newspapers are sold, Vandana gets to keep that money. She is waiting for Ragman. That is when the voice of the scrap dealer is heard. Scrap dealer! Scrap dealer! Vandana was waiting for this very moment. She rushes off and brings the scrap dealer to her house.
We want to sell all these newspapers.
Vandana's father stays back to help Vandana sell newspapers, while her mother goes inside the house to fetch more scrap. The scrap dealer puts 1 bundle of newspaper on the weighing scale. Let's see what is the price of 1 bundle of newspaper. 1 bundle of newspaper weighs 8 kilograms.
Now let's weigh the remaining bundle as well.
Vandana wants to weigh all the bundles. But the scrap dealer tells her that not all bundles need to be weighed. Each bundle would weigh the same 8 kilos. There are 8 bundles of newspapers in total. If 1 bundle is of 8 kilos, can you tell us how many kilos of newspapers are there?
To find out how many kilograms of newspaper are there, we add the weight of all the newspapers. That is, let's add 8 times 8.
This way 8 has to be added 8 times. Can you suggest an easy way to solve this?
Adding 8 times 8 will give us the same answer as multiplying 8 by 8. But to solve this, I should know the multiplication table of 8. I don't know the table of 8. Do you know the multiplication table of 8?
Vandana doesn't know the multiplication table of 8, but she knows an easy trick through which we can find out the multiplication table of 8. Can you tell us an easy way to find the multiplication table of 8?
I can find the table of 8 with the help of multiplication tables of 3 and 5. When we add the first number of multiplication tables of 3 and 5, we get 8, which is the first number of multiplication table of 8. Similarly, we can find the second number of the multiplication table of 8 by adding the second number of the multiplication table of 3, which is 6, and the second number of the multiplication table of 5, which is 10. Now, when we add 6 and 10, we get 16. That would mean 2 times 8 is 16. Now, to find the answer of 3 times 8, let's add 9 and 15. Answer is 24. In the same way, by adding all the numbers of 3 and 5 multiplication tables one by one, I can find entire multiplication table of 8.
Vandana has understood how to find the multiplication table of 8. Did you think of the same method? Vandana is trying to find the table of 8 with the help of multiplication tables of 3 and 5. Can you find the table of 8 from any multiplication table besides these? Just like adding 3 and 5 gave us the number 8, similarly, you have to find 2 small numbers which add up to 8. See, for example, adding 3 and 5, the answer is 8. We can do this by adding 2 and 6 also, which will give us the answer 8. This means that you can find the table of 8 by adding the numbers of multiplication tables of 2 and 6. Pause the video and write down the full table of 8. Vandana has calculated till 7 times 8 in the table of 8. Let's see how she will find out the next number in the table, that is 8 times 8.
To find 8 times 8, we have to add the numbers 8 times 3 and 8 times 5. When we add 24 and 40, we get 64. To find the answer of 9 times 8, we add 27 and 45. The answer will be 72. Now we have to find out the last number of the multiplication table of 8. For that we will add 30 and 50. The answer will be 80.
Vandana has written down the entire multiplication table of 8. You can check whether the table you wrote is the same or not. Now, with the help of this table, Vandana can calculate the weight of 8 bundles of newspapers, where each bundle weighs 8 kilograms. The answer will be 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64 kilograms.
This means that these 8 bundles weighted 64 kilos.
Vandana's father is happy because Vandana was able to do the calculation accurately without using pen and paper. And Vandana is also happy because now she will get the money from which she will buy a beautiful doll for herself. If a scrap dealer pays 9 rupees to Vandana for 1 kilogram of newspaper, can you tell me how much will Vandana get for selling 64 kilos of newspaper? We will learn to solve such questions in the next video. Let's memorize the table of 8 for now. See, Vandana has even started singing.
8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80.
Today we have learned multiplication table of 8 and how useful are the multiplication tables in our daily life.